man. This is the creek right down the street from my house. And this is the way I was going to be going to the Home Depot, but it is completely closed off. And as you can see, there's some car that's not having a good day. It's completely closed off the road here. This is less than a quarter of a mile from my place. Holy bejesus. Look at this. Daggone. And see, there's my car right there. This is probably 50, I'm maybe 50 feet from the water's edge. Holy mackerel. That's a Ryder truck right there that's up almost to the wheel well. There ain't no getting through that. That's the entrance to the Nashville Speedway. I guess that's probably completely blocked off. Okay, I'm out of here.